Thank you so much for
So
asking.
how
Yes,
was your day treating you?
it was good. It was good.
Career journey. So I quit my job as a financial advisor. After that, I got baby. Then I started my angel subbrokership also. Almost 9 months I running it, but I'm not quite satisfied. So I was thinking I have to be upskills first. Then I start to do something else. So that is way like I started my YouTube journey. That is pretty much about me. Thank you.
It's great. That's a wonderful intro, I would say. So this is Gopi, and I'm from Chennai, and working as a risk management professional in a BPO. I have around 20 plus years of experience in this field, and I'm an ex-English Yaary tutor as well as ex Toastmaster. That's a brief
Ex
introduction about me.
ex Toastmaster. I'm not getting what is the meaning of that.
Okay, have you heard about Toastmasters?
No.
Okay, so that is an organization. It's a NPO, non-profitable organization,
Okay.
and where they practice public speaking skills. Okay.
Okay.
So we have around 40,000 clubs all over the world.
So you visited there and you are doing the public speaking over there, right? Am I correct?
Yes, we practice public speaking. Audible?
Now audible.
Okay.
Now
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 audible?
okay. Yes, yes, now okay.
Okay, I think maybe due to signal issue. I'm not sure about it.
Might be.
Okay. So now I had audible, right?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible now.
Okay. So I was saying about Toastmasters, right? So we have around 40,000 clubs all over the world. So I was, again,
Now okay.
what is the issue?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Now it's okay.
So I was a member before, not now. Not now. So I've been a member from 2011 to 2015.
Okay. So how was your experience over there and what kind of public speaking and they are interacting to each other? So what is the new things over there you get the experience from there?
So their agenda is same. So where they practice public skills as well as leadership skills. Okay. So what they do, we have different clubs, as I said, and people used to gather every week once, and for say like 20, 30 people gather together, and and the agenda is same for all the meetings, most of the meetings. Like
Okay.
first part is prepared speeches. Next and third one is evaluation.
Now okay.
Not audible.
Sir, why it's so
Okay.
happening?
I don't know.
You can
Not
take
sure.
out your headphone. Without headphone, you can also talk. Not an issue.
Without headphone, maybe
Because
issue with the headphone one.
might be. I don't know.
Shall I try another earphone?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Not an issue.
Just give me a second, okay?
Yes, yes. Again.
So I'm using a wired ear. Okay,
Now
why?
okay.
How about
Now
now?
okay. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now okay.
So I think maybe because of some signal issue.
It's okay. Now continue.
So what were we discussing?
You are talking
Do you have any
about the.
question?
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we are talking about the public speaking. So you prepared some speech, and then you are. So they are people like who are gathering there. So they are the normal person, or they are some other person like that, like
So we have two kinds of clubs. One is corporate and another one is community club. So I was a part of community club. Corporate club will happen only in office. Only that particular office people, I mean employees, will gather together, and community club people from various places, like from students to higher officials.
So like they
Anybody
are
can
people.
take part of it.
Sorry for interrupting, sir. Community people, and they are from the. So you are collecting to the people over there, or like their community. They are like you are already talking about the name. So they are just inviting to the people, and they were gathering there, and you are giving your speech over there like that, right?
The club is already there. Like it started in I think 1845
Okay.
something. So it started in US.
Okay.
By the person called Ralph. So he started that community because of improving the communication skills of the employees over there. So that is how he started, and still it is going on.
No, that's
So we
great.
have a membership. For joining, we have to pay a membership fee, and we have to join.
So you have to take a membership, and you have to take some subscription from the. You have to
Correct.
take the subscription, right?
Yes.
Then you will be a member of that. Then you can give the speech from there over there, right?
Exactly, correct.
Okay. So you got some benefited from there, or like it's a kind of social service like that.
No, not a social service. We are practicing public speaking skills. We are gaining experience when it
Okay.
comes to communication skills.
That's great.
Right.
Okay, so like I think, sir, you are a teacher or tutor of the
Tutor.
English Yaary, right?
English,
How was
yes.
your experience over there, and how you are teaching to the student?
So it was great experience, I would say. But I was teaching mostly the basic level speakers.
Okay.
So I took around 300 plus sessions over there, and now I am not a tutor in English Yaary. I left it. because of other commitments.
Okay. So 300, like in a day, how many sessions you have to be completed there?
Depends upon the sessions I'm getting. So it depends upon my availability. If people are interested to speak with me, they will, book a schedule, and accordingly I will take the session.
That's great.
That is how it is.
Okay. So do you have any question for me? I think we didn't take any specific topic. It's a random conversation we are doing.
Yeah. You can tell something about yourself. Like how you started your journey, English journey.
English journey. So I will talk about my English journey. So when I applied one job, unfortunately I didn't got qualified from there. So that time it triggered to me I have to be upskills, because I also give the good education to my children also by that way, because I have two children, so they are at home, so I try to talk with them that way. They also learn, I also learn, because I want to do that. They also speak in English, but we are not getting the environment at home, so it's our first priority of responsibility of that we have to take an initiative that. So that is why like I also learn this language, but I learn this language, I know this language, but I am not able to speak in a proper, and some words I also don't know, like when we are going any kind of topic, that time I am not able to speak. So that is why like I learned this language 3 years back. It's as fluency. That time I'm just preparing ourselves for the interview purpose, that's it. So I'm just talking 10 minutes, 5 minutes, sometimes I'm using the as fluency. But later on, like now I will talk about, so from 4 months, more than 4 months I'm learning this language. So I started to learn this language because I was thinking I have to have a conversation by the live, because if I go for the live, so I will improve lots of things, boost my confidence, and I can connect with the other country people also, because so I just go through the Google, I find it out the app, which application I can go through the there is the worldwide people, I can be connected with them, and there is the free, there is no charges. So like I got one application, that is the Yaary Tutor platform. So I go through that, and there is they are giving the 7 minutes to us, and we have a conversation with the other country people also, because I was thinking like if I got a opportunity by remotely, so we have a conversation with we have to talk with the clients by the online, they are the worldwide. So that is why I just find it out that kind of app. So I find it out the episode, and then I'm starting to having a session from there. Simultaneously I started my YouTube channel also. Why? Because I stumble so many YouTubers, they are creating the YouTube channel. So I was thinking, okay, YouTube is the best way to be a consistent when you are learning this language. So I think everyone should start to their YouTube channel, because YouTube should be consistent to you. Otherwise you think like to a certain level you was always thinking like we have to be quick. If you have a YouTube channel, so you think okay, we have to be consistent in that. So I started my YouTube channel. So whatever the session we are doing there, I just try to record the session. Like initially 2 or 5 days I go through the session, and I having a session 7 minutes over there. There is not a limit, 3 to 4 sessions they are giving initially, so you can talk with the other co-learners. So that way I'm starting the session like that, and but I find it out the ways how to record the session. So I did because they are not giving the opportunity to us, they are not give the any kind of facility like you can record the session. So I find it out the Google how to record the session. If I want to record any session, so how to record, so I find it out of one app. This is the Screen Rack app. So from that Screen Rack I just record the session there. But I will upload that session only if people are interested. Okay, you can upload that session on your YouTube channel, not an issue. So that way I start to uploading the session on my YouTube channel, because I don't know how to edit and how to do whatever the things is needed for a YouTube channel. So I don't know everything. But yeah, somehow somewhere when we are connected, so many, like initially I'm not connected with the YouTuber, I just connected with the random person, but I am having 1 or 2 groups. So there is the many co-learners were there, so we are talking with them. That way I start to talking with them. I just try to talk with them. I said to them, okay, could you be a part of my channel, so that I can have a one session with you. And that way I also learned how to speak and how to take an initiative, how to hold the conversation. So that way I start to having a conversation with the co-learners. And then I got a one or two platform, one or two WhatsApp groups. So there are many YouTubers were be available. So I was thinking, okay, that is the great way. So to having a session, because I didn't get too much time. So whenever I got a time, so I try to text to them easily. Because if you go for the mail option, so mail we have to be prepared for that. Like you should be scheduled the time, but I'm not available at a fixed time. So that is why like I'm having a session with the YouTuber. That way I start my YouTube journey, and now I would be consistent. Nowadays I also creating a source, because by the source I think when you are creating a source, so that is the great way to become an advanced. You learn new words. So when you learn the new word, you have to express on your camera. So that way you also learn, and you are getting the new words, so you can use that word on your communication. So that is why I started my journey, and now it will be consistent in that way. That is
great journey. So when have you started your YouTube channel? Which year?
It's 2020 almost. Yeah, 26. I didn't recall. Almost 4 months. So how many videos I think uploaded? So simultaneously, almost 4 days ago, I started my YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel 10 days before, but I didn't upload any stuff. But I'm just finding the ways how to record the sessions. So that is why I didn't uploading the sessions over there.
So how many subscribers you have?
I think I have 236, or I didn't recall of that.
That is okay.
Might be.
So every day you record a session?
So when I got a free time, so I try to having a session. So I record it. Otherwise, I just nowadays I'm just creating a source. But yeah, consistent.
So you have mentioned you started your journey, I mean English speaking journey also like 4 months ago.
Yes.
Okay, recently you started.
Yes. But yeah, I indulge myself. I would say like I have a great and put more and more efforts for learning this language. 2 months I stuck for the whole day I'm using this language. Like I just listen a lot, speaking a lot, try to talk with my children. That way I learn within 2 months, I would say. So I find it out whatever the contents I am consuming, so I just go through only the English content. I didn't consume any Hindi content. So that way I learned this language.
So so I don't have any other questions. Like you have any questions with this?
So you are a tutor, so what kind of suggestion or what kind of guidance you give to the student? Because nowadays I'm also giving the spoken classes. But yeah, like who are the beginners, so they are taking the classes from me. But what kind of guidance you are giving to who are the beginner or who are the intermediate level? So what kind of suggestion you give, we have to follow that kind of way, so you will become an advanced.
Okay. So if someone is from intermediate level, they should focus more on speaking and listening.
Speaking and listening, right? So what about the part of the reading? Because nowadays I'm also reading, but initially I'm not reading. I'm just go through the only one paragraph of the reading. But now I'm just go through the reading, because I think the reading, if you are doing so, you are articulating your thoughts in a good way.
Correct. So reading will definitely help you to know more about new vocabularies and sentence construction. It is really helpful. But we should try to read, the novels.
Okay.
Compared to self-help books, I would suggest novels, because novels have a lot of conversation.
Okay. So novels is good, from your side.
Novels
right?
have novels is like spoken English actually.
Okay.
But the other things like motivational books have written English. Correct. But novels have spoken English. Like how to say, like it has more dialogues.
Okay.
So that we can read as well as we can practice. So that will help us to speak like a native speaker. Again gone.
Yeah.
Now audible?
Now audible.
I think some signal issue. I'm not sure why it is happening.
Okay. So novel is a good because I also go through the Ikigai book, and one book is Sudha Murthy ma'am. And third book I'm also reading Atomic Habit, but I'm not that much interested in that book, because I'm not that sentence structure or framing of the sentence. I'm not getting properly what they want to say actually. So that is why I'm not understand properly, I would say. I'm not getting
But
properly.
Ikigai is little simple English.
Yeah, Ikigai is a very good book. Very good book. I
And
read it out there.
initially, I would suggest Chetan Bhagat books.
Chetan Bhagat.
It has a very simple English,
Okay.
but it has
So
good
who?
vocabulary also.
Okay, sir. So who are the beginners? So what? Which book would you suggest to them? They have to
They
go
can
like they
start.
want to run.
They can start with Robin Sharma. I would prefer, they should start with Indian authors
Okay.
like Robin Sharma, and
Again gone.
okay. So maybe like I think we can switch to GeoMeet. GeoMeet is better. You can try it out.
Geomet. Okay, might be.
GeoMeet is good, better.
Okay, next time I will connect to the everyone with the GeoMeet. But it's not happen with the Google Meet. It's a, I think network issue.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I have a good network here. Not sure why it is
Okay.
happening.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, so what book you are suggesting? It's a Robin. Second,
Robin Sharma, Chetan Bhagat.
two books. We have to prefer like who are the beginners. They have to start reading from that if they want to read any books, right? Okay, sir.
So I have in my desk I have Ikigai.
Okay, same in my desk also. Ikigai.
I'm
It's
having
not
Chetan
so.
Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat I didn't read, and I
So
didn't buy also. But
so
definitely
you will
I
love
will
it. Like Chetan Bhagat books are really good for reading. So you will feel the flow.
buy. Okay,
Once you start it, you cannot keep it down. So that kind
I will
of
try.
thing. That's very good book to read.
Definitely I will go through that, sir. Thank you, sir. So I think we have to wind up this session. Do you have any query for me?
Okay, like how do you record this session?
I record this session from the screen rec, but we have to be added because there is some glitches were there. That's why.
So screen record will record only the screen, right? How it will record the voice?
Both it will be recorded
Okay. I
by
never
the
tried
system. I am using the system laptop.
it. But we cannot do it in mobile phone.
I don't know about that actually. Sir. I am using only laptop, so that is why like I just have a plate. What can I say application? So I just click on that, then I drag it. Then whatever the part I want to record, so that will be recorded. And after recording, I can send to you also. But we have to be edit first because there is some glitches and some
Audio
things
issues.
there. That is why.
Understood. Yeah. Okay, fine then.
Okay.
So definitely we can meet next time. We can
Yes,
discuss
yes,
about
yes.
different topics.
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Nice
much for
talking.
having me. Yes, sir.